Agriculture is an important and essential industry in ensuring the food supply for humans. Over the past decades, technology has continuously developed, bringing many significant advancements to agriculture. One of the most important advancements is the advent of giant machines, including tractors and harvesters. These machines have completely transformed the way humans cultivate and harvest crops, increasing productivity and minimizing labor. Tractors are among the most important machines in modern agriculture. Used to pull agricultural implements such as plows, harrows, and trailers, tractors significantly save time and effort compared to traditional farming methods. The first tractor was invented in the late 19th century and has undergone many improvements since then. Initially, tractors used steam engines, but later they were replaced by internal combustion engines, which enhanced performance and durability. Construction and function. Modern tractors are typically equipped with powerful engines, advanced transmission systems, and electronic control devices. They are capable of working on various types of terrain and can withstand harsh weather conditions. Benefits. Tractors help farmers perform many heavy tasks quickly and efficiently. They not only increase productivity, but also reduce the risk of injury for workers. Combine harvesters. Harvesters are indispensable tools in the crop harvesting process, handling everything from wheat and corn to potatoes and sugar beets. These machines enable farmers to harvest quickly and efficiently, minimizing waste and losses. There are various types of harvesters, each designed for harvesting specific crops. For example, combine harvesters are used for wheat, corn harvesters are specifically designed for corn, and potato harvesters are capable of digging up and collecting potatoes from the soil. Today's harvesters are equipped with modern technologies such as GPS systems, sensors, and automated control devices. These technologies enhance harvesting accuracy and efficiency while minimizing waste and losses. Economic and social impact. Harvesters help reduce labor time and costs, allowing farmers to harvest larger areas in a shorter period. This not only increases farmers' income, but also ensures a stable food supply for society. Giant machines like tractors and harvesters have made significant contributions to the advancement of modern agriculture. They not only boost productivity and operational efficiency, but also reduce labor and the risk of injury for farmers. In the future, with the continuous development of technology, we can expect even more innovations that will bring greater benefits to agriculture and society as a whole.